So we've talked before about how to create a menu. One of the important things about your menus in making sure you have good customer satisfaction and profitability, especially at your smaller accounts, is to look at what's selling and not selling by the previously mentioned inventory system, no matter which one you use. And then keep track either with a computer system, or if you're a vendor who doesn't have a computer system, you can just keep track with your menu in the machine. You see an item's not selling, let's say it's a jalapeno chip is not selling, and you say you're going to eliminate that chip. You're going to look at what else is selling. Maybe it's a nacho kind of a chip, a nacho tortilla chip or something like that. And you look for a similar type of product. For instance, if nacho Doritos are selling well, you can put in munchies, you can put in salsitas. There's a lot of other products like that on the market, and you're not only eliminating an item that's not selling, you're making it so the item that is selling out in your machine, maybe you're coming back to this machine just because that one item keeps selling out. Rather than putting two columns into that item, you can put in similar items in other columns that may sell as well. Increase the variety of products in the machine for your customer. Extend your service time so that when you come out, you'll sell more product and it'll make the stop more profitable. And you're going to eliminate having so much expired product, which is costing your company money.